Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Unwana Udoh, and every week I share great content on how to help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. So, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, also I just want to thank you to all my subscribers for helping support this channel and making us grow. So the topic today, according to my thumbnail, if you saw that, is how to make passive income on the internet. Now, like I said, my channel is all about personal finance, okay? How you can master your personal finance and also grow your wealth. But one of the key components of personal finance is your income, all right? So you have to find ways to generate more income for yourself. Now, there are two ways in which you can generate income for yourself. The first being active income, and then the second being passive income. Active income, if you're aware of what active income is, just like the word says, it's active, which means you have to physically be involved, work for it. Passive income is income that you derive from activities that every single month or every single quarter, whatever, you get a stream of income coming into you. Now, ideally, what everybody's aspiring to is to have passive income. So I'm sure you've heard about this all the time. Everybody's always talking about, I'm trying to create passive income, passive income, passive income. All right. Now, there are certain ways in which you can actually get active income and passive income. So for instance, you could be an employee. Being an employee is a way of active income. So you actually go to work, you put in X amount of hours, and your employer pays you. So that's considered active income. You could also be a small business owner. So for instance, you can be an accountant or you could be a chiropractor. Even though you're self-employed, that's still active income because you are actively involved in the activity that generates that income for you. So as a chiropractor, for instance, you have to go into your practice and take care of your patients or your clients, and in return, you get paid for your services. So that's another example of generating active income. Now, in terms of passive income, now you're looking at someone who's probably a business owner. So if you own, let's say, a restaurant franchise, okay, like a McDonald's or a Subway or whatever, and you have multiple locations, now you are a business owner that you have multiple locations. So technically, we can say that income could come to you passively because you don't really necessarily have to be involved in the business per se. All right. And then when you look at what's called, if you're an investor is someone who basically deploys their money to works for them, which is basically where most people want to end up. You want to end up as an investor whereby your investment or your money is making money for you and you don't have to be physically involved in the generation of that money. All right. So this video is only going to strictly talk about how to generate passive income. So there are many ways in which you can generate passive income. The misconception most people have is they think passive income is, I do nothing, I sit at the beach on my laptop and all this money keeps rolling in. Don't be fooled, okay? Whether you go active income, whether you go passive income, you have to put in the work. There's no two ways about it. You have to put in the work. So when you hear people talk about passive income, like it's something that just falls out of trees or whatever, don't be fooled, okay? You have to put in the work. People who earn passive income today put in the work years ago, and that's why they're able to reap the rewards. So there is, there's a phase where you have to actually, plant your seeds, okay? And then there's a period where you have the harvest. So the harvesting phase is where you generate the passive income, where the income comes to you consistently on a passive level. So like I said, there are many ways in which you can get passive income. One of those ways could be in real estate investments, okay? You could invest in the stock market, for instance, okay? You could buy shares of companies that pay dividends, and that money comes to you. So every quarter or whichever way the company you invested in distributes dividends, you will get a distribution, which is on a passive level because you don't actually have to run the business. You don't have to do anything. Every month or every quarter, the company sends you a check. All right. So that's an example of a passive income. But my main focus today is being able to use the internet to generate passive income. And one of the best and easiest ways for people to get started on the internet is through affiliate marketing. Now, like I said, my channel is mostly about personal finance, but like I also mentioned earlier, as part of your personal finance strategy and your plan, you also have to look at the income phase. Okay, you have to look at your income, you have to look at your expenses, you have to look at your liabilities, you have to look at your assets. All right. Now, if you don't have the income, then you could never achieve all the other things that you want to do in life. So the income piece is very important. Now, in the previous video, I mentioned we all have only, a certain amount of hours in a day. So we all have 24 hours in a day. Okay, you have to account for your feeding, for sleeping, for all your extracurricular activities, for your, for your family, whatever. All that has to be done in 24 hours. Okay, also counting your job if you have a 9 to 5. So you have to leverage your time, because time is the most precious commodity that we have. Okay, people think it's money, it's all that. No, time is our most precious commodity. So, if you have a job, most people have multiple jobs. Now, with the internet has actually leveled the playing field. So you can actually leverage the internet, all right, to be able to generate income on a passive level. Mind you, you still have to put in the work. So there's no free lunch here. You have to put in the work. If you don't put in the work, you're never going to get anything. It's like somebody saying, you know what, I want to harvest tomatoes tomorrow. But you have to, plant the seeds. You have to nurture the plant. You have to do all that before you have your tomatoes. All right. So think about it that way. So you can't just get passive income without doing anything. Like you see people online today, because of social media, they're all flaunting with their sports cars and all that. And, most of those people put in the time 5 years ago or 10 years ago, and now they're reaping the rewards. And when you see them and you're just beginning and you're thinking, well, you're going to achieve the same status like them, it's not going to happen. So, like I said, one of the best and easiest ways for you to get started online is through affiliate marketing. So with affiliate marketing, number one, you don't have to develop your own product if you don't want to. Number two, you don't even need your own website. So you don't have to register a domain. You don't have to design a website. You don't have to do any fulfillment. You don't have to, all that has been taken care of for you by the company that you're an affiliate to. So for instance, look around your house, okay? Look at, what you eat every day, like your breakfast cereal, or your toothpaste, or your toothbrush, or your hair product, or your glasses, or your shoe, your socks. Look around your house. All those products were made by a company. And if you go online, some of those companies actually have affiliate programs where you can sign up as an affiliate, and it costs you nothing to sign up as an affiliate. So basically, when you sign up as an affiliate, you're given a unique link or a unique identifier, okay, whereby all you have to do is just promote that particular link, get customers or get prospects over to the manufacturer or whoever has the service or product that you're promoting, as an affiliate. And when somebody makes a purchase, it doesn't cost that person extra. The company sends a commission to you. So you earn like a percentage of the sale or whatever. So that's the beauty of affiliate marketing. All right. Yeah, I know there are scams out there, there are businesses out there. So please make sure you do your due diligence before you sign up with any affiliate programs. Okay. In a previous video, I did make a video back in 2019 on an affiliate program that I'm also involved in, which is called Partner with Anthony. And I joined that program back in 2019, like the close to the tail end of 2019. And back in November, I made a video. I'm sure you can check my channel for that video, where I gave an honest review of this program. That's another affiliate program that I'm involved in. But the beauty of that particular of the Partner with Anthony program is that it takes you through a training process. So if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, if you're brand new to the internet, if you're brand new to online marketing, basically this program walks you through everything step by step. And that's how I was able to learn affiliate marketing. And from the knowledge that I gained from that program, I was able to transition into starting a YouTube channel, which you're watching right now, into other avenues, into designing my own blog, into designing my own website, in designing squeeze pages. I mean, designing, thank you pages. I mean, I learned so much from that program. Okay. Yes, there is a fee that you have to pay to sign up for this program. Okay. But it only costs you $7 a month. $7 a month, and you get to learn all these things that can actually generate income for you. So, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways in which you can make passive income on the internet. Now, believe me, I haven't been promoting the Partner with Anthony program, but every single month on a consistent basis, I am generating income passively. But guess what? I had to put in the work in the beginning. Back in 2019, November, December, I put in the work. I'm part of January of 2020. I put in the work. I put in the effort. So you have to put in the effort for you to be able to generate passive income. And like I said, one of the easiest ways for you to generate passive income online is through affiliate marketing. There are other programs that you can do. You can do drop shipping. You can do Amazon FBA. Those require some investment, some engagement on your part, okay? But there are certain things that you can actually outsource to other people and have them run it for you, okay, while you get the income coming in. But it takes time to build your business to that level. However, if you're just starting out, okay, and you're trying to generate passive income on the internet, affiliate marketing is the best way to go. So if you're interested in this program I was talking about, make sure you check the description below. All right, click on the link. There's going to be a presentation. Watch that presentation. If you feel it's something that interests you, and you have the time, you have to create time for this. All right, click on the link, go watch the presentation. When you're done, if you find value in it, fine, sign up. But you need to do something, whether you sign up with me or you sign up with somebody else. Okay, now is the time for you to leverage the internet. I know a lot of people spend countless of hours on social media, just scrolling, checking other people's feeds, going to Instagram, going here, going there, watching YouTube videos. I mean, I appreciate you being here, but you got to be very selective on what you're watching. You got to be very selective on how you're spending your time. All right. I just got out of work just now, and here I am sharing content because I'm passionate about helping people. Okay, I'm passionate about success. I'm passionate about letting people understand that there are options out there. Okay, you can do whatever you want, and I'm a testimony to that. I started this YouTube channel with 15 subscribers, and today I'm approaching almost 4,000 subscribers. But you have to put in you have to put in the work. You have to do the work. All right. But people today just think, oh yeah, I can just make passive income on the internet without putting in the work. Anyone who tells you that, you better run, because it's a lie. You have to put in the work. However, if you build up on that and you put in the work, everything else is going to fall in place. Now, there is no guarantee that when you get online, you're going to make any money. Nobody can guarantee that, okay? And I'm not here trying to tell you, that I'm going to guarantee that you're going to make money. But however, you give yourself a shot if you start today. So don't let the day go by. As soon as you're done watching this video, click on that link. Make sure you go check out this program I was talking about, Partner with Anthony program. See what it's all about. If you need more information, DM me, and I'll be glad to help you out or answer any questions that you have. Unfortunately, I can't share my revenue with you, but if you want to see it, I can share it with you privately. Okay, how much I have made with this program. All right. So I hope you found value in this. And like I said, the easiest way, or the fastest way you can get involved online is affiliate marketing. Hands down. Okay. And there are lots of programs out there, but the program that I'm involved with, I already mentioned it. I'm not going to mention it again, because this video is just an eye opener for you, to show you that you do have options, because the health crisis that we have right now has really showed us that having one source of income, which is your job, your 9 to 5 or whatever hours you work, is not sufficient. All right. There is inflation. Okay. Very soon, prices of products are going to go up. Prices for education is going to go up. Your kids have to go to school. You have to eat. You have to fix your car. You have to, take care of your personal needs. Prices are only going to go up and your income stays the same. So you have to figure out a way to leverage your time, leverage the internet, and be able to make ends meet and get yourself to the other side. Okay, so I'm on this journey and I thank you for being here with me, going on this journey with me as we go to the other side, okay, because I'm on my way, walking my way towards the 1%, okay? So that is the plan, to get to being part of the 1% where I can actually do some good to society. If I have enough money, then I can, donate to charities, to shelters, to whatever, and use my money to do good for society. So that's my plan. You have your own plan. So my plan might not work for you. You have your own plan. So, but what I'm telling you now is the best time for you to get involved on the internet. Okay. The internet is just going to get bigger. Okay. And those who have not adapted, you can see it with businesses today. All right. Amazon pretty much has dominated the online space. All the malls are shutting down because most of those retailers did not adapt to what's going on. Even like the financial sector as well is getting decimated right now. Banks are closing down branches, they're laying off personnel. Okay, and most of those people, they had a great job, but now they're out of work. Okay, through no fault of their own. But you have to have a plan. You have to start today. Today is the day for you to start. If nothing else, just listen to me. Today is the day. So don't let today go by without you researching or finding a way to earn some income online. So thank you very much for being here. I really appreciate this. I didn't want to make this video really, really long. So thank you for being here. If you find value in my channel, make sure you share my channel with your friends, share my videos, leave me comments, please. I want to know if I'm on the right track, if you like these videos I'm making, or you need me to improve on things. I'm waiting for your feedback, please. I really cherish your feedback. So please leave me comments. All right. And also don't forget to like this video so that YouTube will share my videos with everyone. And also remember to subscribe to the channel. So be good to yourself. Take care of yourself. Stay safe during these trying times. And I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.